In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw in WPS Office. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open up your document and then you want to go to the top right here where you can see this search button, click on it and type in draw. Now, just click on draw over here. It's going to pop up a drawing menu, and from here you can select whatever you want to draw it. So we have like the ballpoint pen, you have the watercolor one, you have a highlighter, you have a shape pen, and then the eraser as well. And over here are the colors which you can basically select. So I'm going to just select this ballpoint pen and I'm going to just draw something over here. As you can see, it's very easy. You can draw whatever you want here. You could go ahead and use this one as well. You could use like the highlighter. You could use this shape pen over here as well to actually draw different shapes. It's going to give you like straight lines, stuff like that. And then you have the eraser as well, which whenever you basically hover over things is going to remove whatever you have drawn on your canvas. Now that's basically how to do it. And of course you can change colors up here, as I said, and basically draw in whatever color you want. And then whenever you're ready, you could just exit that and the drawings are going to stay here. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.